What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you a simple step-by-step method on how to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw the top edge of the nose. We're going to start right in the middle, bend this out and then up towards the right. Just round out the tip of the nose. And I just want to taper this in towards the bottom. Just underneath the nose, let's draw the lip, coming down and bending that out. And then from here we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth, coming across and then bend that up. Let's add a bracket across the corner of the mouth. Now around the corner of the mouth, we're going to draw an oval, starting from the end, going all the way around, come around and then back in. Let's add two square teeth across the bottom, starting in the middle, come down, across and then up. Let's leave a gap and draw that again, coming down, across and then up. Let's go back to the corner of the mouth, draw a straight line coming down. I'm just going to bend the mouth coming in, round out the side of the mouth, and then up in behind the tooth. Let's add the tongue over on the side. I'm going to start with a curve going up and then down to create a fold. Step back, then it's up and then back down. Now I want to tuck the left eye in behind the cheek. So I'm going to start from the top, going all the way around, come in towards the inside, come down and then back out in behind the cheek. Now I want to continue this curve up above the nose, going in behind the eye. Let's draw that same size circle over on the right side, but we're going to tuck this in along the inside. So we're going to start from the top, going up, go all the way around, and then in behind the nose. Let's add 3 small spots across the cheek. Now in the center of the left eye, let's move over and draw a circle for the iris. Then line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Let's add a dark black dot in the center for the pupils. And we're going to add 3 lashes across the top of each eye, starting right in the middle with a straight line. Go out to the side, we're just going to angle this up and then out. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the head. Let's go all the way over towards the left side. Start by bending this up and then down. I'm just going to draw this wave going all the way across towards the right, to right about there. Let's work our way down the right side of the body. Just going to add these waves going around the face. And start to come down and then into there. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw that same wave coming in and then bending that down. So we're going to come in, adding these waves going around the cheek, and bend that down to right about there. Let's close off the bottom. Coming across. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the lower lip. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw the side edge of the body. Bend this out, down, and then around. Now the side's going to taper down towards the shoulder. So it gets narrower as you come down and into right about there. Now I want to layer the shoulder on top of the body. So we're going to step out, bend this in, come around, and then back out. In between, we're going to add a fold for the sleeve. Now let's go up, bend the arm going out and then down towards the elbow. Bend this in and then down towards the wrist. Let's move up and draw the outside of the arm. We're going to go out, let's round out the elbow, and then come in towards the wrist. Let's close off the sleeve, just bending this in behind the arm. Now I want to close off the bottom of the body underneath the arm, going up towards the bottom of the head. Now we're going to go back and finish off the hand. Let's just round out the wrist, go out towards the first finger, round out the finger, bend this in and then up. Now you're going to layer a couple more fingers going out towards the left. So going out and back in. Do that one more time. Let's close off the end with a curve, just tucking that in. Add a fold across the palm. Let's tuck the lower half of the body underneath the head. We're going to start underneath the arm. Start with a straight line coming down, Let's go to this seam, draw a straight line coming down towards the corner of the body, angle this up and then out behind the hand. Let's go underneath the body on the right side. We're going to draw that same length line coming down, close out the bottom with a straight line. Let's add in that tie. We're going to start with a knot coming down and in towards the middle, flatten out the bottom. From the bottom corners, angle this down and out, and we'll pull that back in towards the center point. Let's go out to the side of the knot and add the collar, coming down and then up underneath the head. Now we're going to add a seam going across the center of the body from left to right, going in behind the tie. And we'll go back to the left side. We're just going to angle this up and then out towards the back. Let's add those thick black lines going across for the belt. We're going to start from the left side of the tie, going out, come down, and then back in. Do the same thing on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's fill the inside of the belt in black. Now I want to leave a small gap and draw that again, drawing a rectangle going out towards the side of the body. And we'll fill those in black. Let's add one more going along the side in an angle, and then we'll fill that in. Now let's draw the right arm in behind the body. We're going to start by lining up the top of the shoulder. I'm just going to round this out, come down the sleeve, and then in towards the side. Now from the bottom, bend the arm going out and then down towards the elbow, come down and then in towards the body. Let's trace the outside of the arm from the sleeve going out and then down, round out the elbow, and then bend that in. Let's curve the palm. And we'll add that first finger, bend this out, come around, and then up on the inside. Let's layer two more fingers along the inside, going up underneath the body. Now we want to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Let's start with the edge of the shorts. On the left side, start with two lines coming down. Just going to round out the bottom. Let's leave a gap and do the same thing over on the right. In the center of the pant leg, draw two straight lines coming down towards the ankles. Then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go up about halfway and draw another curve for the edge of the socks. Now over on the left side of the ankle, we're going to draw a curve going around the heel and then in towards the bottom on both sides. Round at the heel, going up, and then drawing a larger curve for the front of the shoe. Let's curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend that down. Now from the inside, bend this up and in towards the outside of the ankle. Let's add a small oval along the top of the foot. And then we'll fill the inside of the shoes in black, going around that highlight. Now let's go back up to the top and add those spots around the head. We're going to start from the side of the body, starting from the very top. It's almost like drawing these ovals. I'm just going to vary the size, going all the way around towards the bottom. And then go across the front of the face. And add a couple more. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.